Welcome to the tour of our first house. This is our front yard here and our driveway. I'm taking video. Hi, Sam.
Hi.
You're all whited out. Alright, this is our living room. And this is our entryway into the dining room. This is our dining room, which looks into the kitchen. It is toasty in here.
It is burning up hot up here.
Alright. And this is the master bedroom. And it smells like pee in here, which is great. It's my favorite smell. This is our next little bedroom. And this scary dark room is our bathroom, complete with a leaking faucet. And they were nice though, you can see the detached from the ceiling. Alrighty. These are our linen closets here. I'm going to flip it over for you. Alrighty. Another closet here, complete with carpeted floor. Alrighty, now we'll go upstairs. Stairs we go. Oh, it's dark up here. I'll take you guys up this way.
It's really hot.
Ooh, it's broiling up here.
Yeah, it's really
Holy moly.
Yeah,
Alright, this is our
hot. They have the AC just totally shut
one of our rooms up here with our nice little storage in the wall, which is too dark for the camera, and that's fine because it's not pretty anyway. And we'll go back over here. This is our second room. We have this little balcony thing here. You can see Sam downstairs.
There's a puppy outside sniffing the grass.
These interesting glass pieces here above the door. And this is this room. Our nice big closet. Nice little office type space in here. Alrighty. And don't want to forget the bathroom in a closet. Bathroom in the closet. That's right. Alrighty. And now I'll take you all back downstairs.